Suppose we have a function y is equal to fx. If we take any 2 points on the function and join them with the line always stays above the function. Now consider this function. If we choose 2 points on the function like this and draw a line between them, we notice that the line intersects the graph and lies below the function over here. The first type of function is called convex function, while the second type is an example of non-convex function. The first one is like a bowl, while the second one is like a bumpy mountain. If you drop a ball from the top, it is guaranteed to reach the bottom of the bowl. If you drop a ball here, there is no guarantee that the ball will reach the bottom. Now let us understand why is it important in case of deep learning. When we define our loss function, our goal is to reduce the loss. When the loss is the lowest, we can say that the model is trained. In deep learning, most of the loss functions are non-convex. For example, dice loss, focal loss, or binary cross entropy loss. And hence, there is a chance that the minimum value of the loss may not be reached. The loss may reach a local minimum and stay there. Hence, we need to use strategies so that our loss reaches the actual minimum or the global minimum and not get stuck in the local minimum. These videos and animations take a long time to create, so please support us by subscribing our channel.